everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing, setup, and testing the new GoPro Hero 12. So first, let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Inside the box, a reminder instruction to update before using GoPro, and they provided you a QR code for the Quik app. Comes with GoPro stickers and illustration how to use your sticky mount. One USB-C cable, one sticky mount, one mounting screw, one Enduro rechargeable battery, and a quick release mount. Looking at the design, there's no major difference from the old GoPro Hero 11. The only minor difference I noticed is the blue dotted splash graphic overlay, the 1/4-inch diameter tripod mount, and of course the number 12 on the side. Now let's go ahead and add the GoPro Hero 12 to our Quik app. Now let's go ahead and choose 12, connect. Now it's searching for camera. Let's go ahead and connect. Let's select pair. It's connected. Let's name our GoPro. Let's save the new name. And now we're ready to install the firmware update. Let's update the camera. Again, let's connect to GoPro Hero 12. Let's accept and continue. And now we're all set. So next, if you want to automatically upload your video to the cloud, you can set your Wi-Fi, and you can also select auto clear SD card once everything gets uploaded to the cloud. In the Quik app, once your GoPro gets connected to the app, you have the option to enable a preview to see what's on the frame. To mention some new cool features added to Hero 12 is the ability to shoot vertical videos without turning your device sideways. This is a cool feature for content creators who make reels, shorts, or TikTok videos. In video mode, they also added two new profiles for HDR and log profile. If you want to max out your dynamic range, you can use GP log profile so you can later apply a lookup table or LUT using your video editing software. Here's some video shot with G-log profile with LUT applied and color grading. So another feature they added is the Timecode sync that allows you to synchronize multiple Hero 12 at once. They also added Bluetooth audio support for AirPods and other Bluetooth audio devices for wireless sound recording and voice control. They also improved the battery run times to 1.5 hours at 5.3K 30 FPS and over 2.5 hours at 1080p 30 frames per second. When I was using both Hero 11 and 12 for video comparison, Hero 11 drained the battery like 7 minutes earlier than the Hero 12. It's not that much, but I can still use that 7 minutes, shoot a lot of videos and photos. By the way, if you want to shoot longer videos, you can buy this accessory to replace your battery cover and keep your GoPro charged while shooting your videos. So in my opinion, these upgrades are a great addition, and one of my favorite is to be able to shoot log profile and HDR. It's not a major upgrade if you're a Hero 11 user, but if you're upgrading from 10, 9, or Hero 8, this GoPro is definitely a major upgrade. I don't have that much video samples comparison, but my next one will be a comparison between Hero 11 versus Hero 12. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that bell icon to get notified for my upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.